more moves, yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Tracy and Ashley got married at the gym. No minister, no ring. Just a marriage license and some unusual wedding gifts.
They got tattoos of each other's names with large letters on the back. There would be no romantic honeymoon to make up for the less than romantic impromptu wedding at the gym. A day after Tracy got married, the woman who had accused him of rape was murdered. Sandy Rosser was shot 8 times at point-blank range while she sat defenseless in her car.
I was over lives. I should have gone with him, you know. I love him. Real significant amount of glass.
Lead investigator Paul Andrews.
Absolutely a tremendous amount of blood. And multiple shell casings, as you can see on the floor of the garage and just outside the way. Somebody had it after this over the night.